If you watch the last episode on style identity, this is where it gets real. Because knowing who you are stylistically means nothing if your wardrobe doesn't reflect you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reinvent your style after 50 without buying a single thing, by realigning your wardrobe with the identity you claimed in the last episode. Plain is safe, feels comfortable. Beige, black, navy, predictable silhouettes. But comfort isn't style. It's camouflage. Safe style hides you instead of showing you. And over time, it actually ages you more than anything else. Style is not just about clothes. It's a reflection of identity, confidence, and energy. When your wardrobe doesn't express you, it sends hesitation, uncertainty, even invisibility. The good news? This is entirely fixable, and you don't need a shopping spree to do it. It starts with a shift in your perception, seeing your wardrobe as a toolkit, not a storage closet. Pro tip. Notice how a simple tweak, a brightly colored scarf, a statement shoe, a structured blazer changes the entire story your outfit tells. This is the power of intention. Step 1. Stop thinking in outfits. Start thinking in elements. Jackets, tops, bottoms, layers, and accessories. This mindset opens up hundreds of new combinations. Pull everything out. Touch each piece. Ask yourself, do I love wearing this? Does it make me feel like myself today? Can I pair it in 3 new ways I haven't tried? Don't cling to guilt or nostalgia. Donate, swap, or repurpose items that no longer serve you. Your wardrobe exists to support your expression, not weigh you down. Pro tip. Even pieces you thought were boring can become exciting with a shift in styling perspective. The wardrobe isn't broken, you just need a new lens. This is where the magic begins. Discovering new outfits in old pieces. Start with core basics, classic tops, trousers, skirts, and layer thoughtfully with texture, color, and accessories. Example 1. Take a humble gray t-shirt, usually paired with khaki cargo bermudas that you would normally wear with sneakers. Add refined jewelry, a large contrasting buckle belt, and bold shoes. Suddenly, a casual look becomes polished, confident, you. Alternatively, add a fluid satin top that cinches your waist beautifully, a bold pair of red heels, fine jewelry, and what was once relaxed and ordinary now reads chic, intentional, and completely fresh. Call this cargo shorts mid-couture if you want. Example 2. Still on the introducing friction elements theme, and my personal way of applying it is styling a cute casual bohemian purse with elevated pieces like a tuxedo jacket and tailored trousers, where you normally would just style with a classic bag. Because remember, unexpected pairings create visual interest. Now take a very minimalist look. A tank top, tailored Bermuda shorts, and black mules. That's your bread and butter. On their own, they're clean and understated. But once I add an embellished camel scarf, a red bag, and red shoes, the outfit shifts completely. The neutrals become a background, and the accessories do the talking. Suddenly it feels styled, a minimal base becomes intentional and elevated. Pro tip. Think like a stylist. Every piece is a building block. Don't just ask, does this match? Ask, does this tell a story about me today? This is where the style identity from the last episode really starts to matter. Once you name the woman you are now, not the one you were, not the one you think you should be, your wardrobe stops feeling random or frustrating. Many women think their clothes are the problem, but really it's the length through which they seam them that hasn't caught up. These pieces didn't suddenly become wrong. They just haven't been styled through the lenses of your current identity yet. And when that lens changes, everything you already own starts to behave differently. Rediscover your signature anchors. Items that always feel like you. Maybe a leather jacket, a coat, a favorite pair of shoes. Build your wardrobe orbit around these anchors. Tops, skirts, trousers, accessories. They revolve around these key pieces. Contrast is crucial. Structure anchors with the strategically placed pops of color and bold accessories. Subtle shifts add depth, movement, and personality. You see it in the way jackets feel more structured, shoes feel more intentional, and even a single scarf suddenly has purpose. The wardrobe doesn't need more pieces. You do the styling reset. Auditing, mixing, anchoring, all of it hinges on confidence. Clothes alone don't create style. How you wear them does. Confidence comes from clarity, knowing your body, your story, and what works. Walk in your outfits like you own the room. Let your wardrobe signal who you are. When you feel good, you look good, and others notice. Pro tip. Even the smallest details, shoes, a belt, the way you tuck a shirt, signal confidence. It's less about perfection, more about presence. Here's your challenge. Pick one anchor piece today. Mix it in a way you've never tried before. No shopping, no guilt, just play, experiment, reclaim your style. Let me know in the comment section how you went. You know I love hearing from you. If you want the full breakdown of outfit formulas, layering secrets, and clever add-ons, watch the rest of my series. Starting with why most women over 50 feel stuck in their style. Remember, style after 50 isn't about trends. It's about reclaiming your power, your expression, and your confidence. One outfit at a time. Thanks so much for staying with me until the end, and I'll see you in the next week. Ciao, ciao, everyone.